Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put Toyota Highlander seats down. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. Before you begin, remove any personal items or cargo from the seats and the floor area. This prevents damage and makes the folding process much smoother. We will cover both the second and third row seats, providing you with a full guide to maximize your cargo space. To fold down the second row seats, first locate the release lever or strap, typically found on the outer side of the seat near the bottom. Pull this lever firmly to disengage the seatback lock. Once unlocked, gently push the seat back forward. It should fold down smoothly, creating a flat surface. Repeat this process for the other second row seat if you need maximum cargo capacity. Moving to the third row seats, you'll typically access these from the rear cargo area of your Highlander. Look for a fabric strap or a small lever located on the back of each third row seat. Give this strap a firm pull to release the seatback mechanism. Then, gently push the seat forward until it lays completely flat, flush with the cargo floor. This significantly expands your storage. When folding any seat, always ensure that seatbelts are not caught underneath, as this can damage them or prevent proper folding. With both rows down, your Highlander offers a substantial amount of cargo space, often exceeding 80 cubic feet, perfect for larger items or gear. Remember to secure any cargo to prevent shifting during transit. And speaking of keeping your car fresh, check out the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.